To keep your Instagram account secure, it's important to remove any old devices that are no longer in use. This guide will walk you through the steps to do so easily. Step 1. Open Instagram app. Launch the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Profile. Tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your personal profile page. Step 3. Access Settings. In your profile, tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, select Settings at the bottom of the menu. Step 4. Navigate to Security. Within the Settings menu, find and tap on Security. This section contains various security options for your account. Step 5. Manage Login Activity. In the Security section, tap on Login Activity. Here, you will see a list of devices that have accessed your account. You can select any old or unfamiliar devices and choose to log them out. By following these steps, you can easily remove old devices from your Instagram security settings, enhancing the safety of your account. Regularly checking your login activity is a good practice to maintain your account's security.